You said my play. I want to tell you a story about the house went blue. I come home one Friday, had to tell the landlady I done lost my job. She said that don't confront me.
Bravo!
Long as I get my money next Friday.
Neanche
Now next Friday come I didn't get the
quando è
rent.
arrivato all'aeroporto.
And out the door I went.
Che volta che avevo
So I goes to the landlady. I said, you let me slide.
Preso un po' larga, vai, dai, ignorante, ignorante! Bravissimo! Quando serve, beata ignoranza.
So let me slide it on, you know, people.
Hai su anche un quello se vuoi.
I notice when I come home in the evening, she ain't got nothing nice to say to me. But for 5 years, she was so nice. Lord, she would love a dovey. I come home one particular evening. The landlady said, you got the rent money yet? I said, no. Can't find no job. Therefore, I ain't got no money to pay the rent. She said, I don't believe you try to find no job.
Facci vedere tutto quello che hai imparato con Galasso. Faccela vedere, faccela toccare.
I said, but I'm tired. I've been walking all day. She said, that don't confront me.
Muretto, un altro
Long as I
muretto.
get my money next Friday.
Un altro muretto.
I didn't have the rent.
E vai!
And out the door.
Bravissimo. Grande Galaboy. Ignorante, alzati, non seduto in sella, alzati. Alzati,
So I
vai,
got out
vai.
the streets,
Grande.
down to my good friend's
Adri,
house.
l'ho fatta qua.
I said, look, man, I'm outdoors, you know. Can I stay with you maybe a couple of days?
Dov'è di qua?
He said, let me go and ask my wife. He come out of the house. I could see in his face. I know there was no. He said, I don't know, man. She kind of funny, you know. I said, I know. Everybody funny. Now you for that too. So I go back home. I tell the landlady,
Urta,
I got a
alza il
job.
culo, alza il
I
culo dalla
gotta pay the
sella.
rent. She said, yeah. I
Alza.
said, oh, yeah. And then she was so nice. Lord, she would love it, dove it. So I go in my room, pack up my things, and I go. I slip on out the back door.
Ora
Down the
zero.
streets I go. She hollering about the front rent. She been lucky to get in the back rent.
Non vale così Paolo, oggi. Porco
She ain't gonna get
cane.
none of it. So I stop in the local bar, you know, people. I go to the bar. I rent my coat. I call the bartender. I said, look, man, come down here. You got down there. So what you want? One bourbon, one scotch, one beer. Well, I ain't seen my baby since I don't know when. I've been drinking bourbon, whiskey, scotch and gin.
A me piace un po' oblique, quelle dritte sono da giapponesi.
Need me a triple shot of that juice. Gonna get drunk,
Grande,
don't jive,
grandioso, così sì. Bravo. Bella galassata, senza galasso oggi.
one scotch,
Però,
one beer. But I'm sitting now at the bar. I'm getting drunk. I'm feeling mellow. I'm drinking bourbon. I'm drinking scotch. I'm drinking beer. Look at the bar. Here go the bartender. I said, look, man. Come down here. So what you want? One bourbon.
urta, urta Adriano, urta!
One beer.
Suona il campanello, suona il campanello. certo, è un asino in mezzo alle pecore di solito, bisogna filmarlo, no?